shit. Holy shit, that just made a loud noise. Holy cow. That scared the crap out of me. That just made a really loud sound. I'm not sure if it's going to do it again. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. I don't really feel safe now. Huh, that... Jesus. This one has something right there. And so does that one. But that one does not have anything. That's weird. Yeah, that's not sounding good.